Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I am going to share chicken pakodi recipe. This is street style chicken pakodi recipe friends. Firstly, we have to keep these chicken pieces in salt mixed water for 1 hour, and then after taking out all those pieces we have to add salt, lemon juice, chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, and we have to mix it. After mixing them, now I'm going to add 1 egg. These are approximately 500 grams of boneless chicken. After mixing 1 egg, now I'm going to add 2 spoons of maida, 1 spoon of corn flour, 1 spoon of rice flour, and then give it a good mix so that the chicken pieces should be coated properly. See how these are coated. Now I'm going to leave these chicken pieces into hot oil. Here while mixing we can add curry leaves and cashews, green chilies also, cut green chilies. Firstly we have to fry them for once, and then we have to take out, and then we have to fry them again so that they'll get crispiness in this chicken pakodi. Firstly I fried these pieces, and now I'm going to fry another batch. After that we have to fry them again so that after frying twice they'll get so crispy. So these are so crispy now friends. As I told you earlier, we can add these curry leaves and green chilies while mixing that chicken pieces, and cashew also. Now I'm going to place them on the top, and we can add garam masala also now on the top. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please like, share, comment our videos.